Alright, hello everybody. Today we're gonna unbox and review the RK H81 mechanical keyboard. This thing is gasket mounted, tapos 3,200 pesos lang siya. Now if you guys didn't know, that is very cheap for a gasket mounted keyboard. This keyboard was sent to me by TechTime. Let's open this thing up. It comes in this yellow box, tapos ano ba meron dito sa box? RK Gaming, yung sa likod. Nothing much to be honest. Standard RK box lang siya. Ayan. Okay, user manual, meron dito sa loob. Para di tayo magsayang ng oras magbasa ng manual, iintindihin ko na lang siya, tapos papakita ko sa inyo yung features nitong keyboard na to mamaya. So in this box, we have the keyboard itself. Alangan, pag wala yung keyboard, scam na yun, di ba? Meron siyang dust plastic case. Amazing. Tabi muna natin yan. And then sa box, we also have a keycap and a switch puller. Di ko alam kung nakikita nyo, pero meron din siyang RK branding. We also have 4 extra switches, as well as a USB Type-C cable. Pero as you guys can see, this USB Type-C cable, ayan, may adapter lang siya for USB Type-A. Pero USB Type-C to USB Type-C talaga siya. Tapos may attachment siyang ganyan para hindi mawala. Now for the keyboard itself, amazing dust cover. Dito sa upper right-hand side ng keyboard, normally volume knob to. Pero in this case, it looks like a connection knob. So ngayon naka-off siya. We can move it to G. I assume ito yung 2.4. And then we have B1, Bluetooth 1, probably B2 and B3. So mga Bluetooth connection modes to. And as you guys can see, it's RGB as well. Before we do a sound test, dito muna sa likod, we have the 2.4 connector over here. Some rubber feet. And then yung legs niya. Kung gusto nyo buksan tong keyboard na to, nakita ko online na yung mga screws ay nandito sa loob ng rubber feet. So with that, I assume ayaw nila ipabukas yung keyboard. Pero by the feels of it, super dense na nung keyboard. I don't think you can fit any foam inside here. Probably pwede mo lang siya i-tape mod or such. Tapos may plastic siya dito. Tanggalin na natin. Bakal to, men. Bakal ba? I'm pretty sure bakal siya pero rubberized itong surface na to. Right, so let's make use of this. Pullers. This keyboard has RK Sky Science switches. Linear switch siya with an operational force of 50 grams. It's not the lightest switch and it's also not the heaviest switch out there. And pag pinipindot ko siyang ganito, sobrang dense talaga ng keyboard. Let's try taking out some of the switches. Looking at it right now, sobrang dense nga niya. Meron kang silica padding dito sa ilalim. And then meron kang plate dito. I'm not sure anong material to, pero mukha siyang hard plastic. RK H81 recording. Alright, and that's pretty much it for the RK H81 gasket-mounted mechanical keyboard. For me, kung gusto nyo talaga ng gasket-mounted keyboard, those things are very costly. And for this price range, I don't think makakahanap ka ng ibang gasket-mounted keyboard. Overall, I do believe that this is a great buy if what you want is a portable, a very dense, and a sturdy mechanical keyboard. However, I do not suggest getting this keyboard if gusto mo matuto mag-mod kasi this thing I don't think wants to be opened. Since yung mga screws niya is found under the rubber feet, sign na agad yon na ayaw nila ipamod yung keyboard. And other than that, I don't think you can do much anyway pagka nabuksan mo na siya. And if you guys want to see more tech reviews and unboxing content, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you guys very soon.